912 Weather, Kamaka Pili.
Hopefully you had a beautiful evening. Things are going to be changing for most of the state tomorrow, but really as we start the new week, it's going to be a bumpy ride. For Hilo, though, really for the island of Hawaii and the east end of Maui, for tomorrow, we see the lighter chances of showers, 30 to 50% chance for Hilo. As we get to Maui, that's up to a 70% chance. From that point on, all the way towards the west, that's bumped up 80 to 100% chance. In terms of the winds, that's in a variable condition now. Unfortunately, that's going to be leading to more of a south and a southwesterly flow tomorrow, and that's going to be the trend taking us all the way through the week. So trade winds not in an extended forecast. We have high threats across the board with the exception of our winds, but come tomorrow evening, that's going to be bumping up to high as well. Tomorrow, we're going to just start to see the building of the wind. So tomorrow evening will be a lot more breezier than when we start off tomorrow, but that's going to be windy to gusty conditions as we get into Monday. A bunch of advisories. Again, this will be all posted on our website and our social media, so you have a better chance to look at each and every one. But the good ones to know is a flood watch in effect, along with a high wind watch that was also going to be taking effect tomorrow morning, and that's going to encompass the entire state. For our ocean conditions, high surf advisory in effect at least until tomorrow evening. A little pause for the day, but once we get through tomorrow night, that could start to bump right back up to even more high surf warning levels due to the energy from this system. So tomorrow morning, these numbers will be coming down for the afternoon, but 10 to 14 footers to start off the day up north, 7 to 10 for the west. One more day with those box jellyfish down on the south, 2 to 4 footers expected for the east. This is that kona low we're talking about, and there's multiple bands of cold front boundaries that is associated with that will be moving over the island. So we can expect to see rounds of heavy showers. The most intense in terms of the impacts from this system will be along the boundary line itself, and then wherever thunderstorms are expected or wherever they will be popping up and scattered across the islands and just flaring up here and there. Now we're looking at tonight at 8 o'clock. We're isolated showers for the most part, but as we get into the midnight hours, it just extravagantly changes. By the time we wake up tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, we're going to have, this is not even the bulk of it. This is really the front boundaries. And as we get through the day, we're going to start to see some intense, and that first boundary will continue to make its way out towards the east. But again, there's multiple different boundaries behind it. And as we get into Monday, that's where we're going to start to see the most intense portion of this system as it encompasses really the entire state. This is where we're really going to start to see even the hail, the thunderstorms at a more prominent pace, if anything. And then we even have winds. That's going to be the big difference from tomorrow and Mondays. We're going to have these strong winds, but as we get out of Monday into Tuesday, we're going to start to see some relief, but come Tuesday, there's still some remnants going to be lingering around. So it's really Wednesday when we expect drier conditions, and it's at that time where we expect the winds to calm down as well. So tomorrow, all across the islands, it's going to be a wet day. Little more sunshine, if anything, for Hawaii Island compared to the rest of the state. But in terms of those winds, southwesterly winds will be continuing all the way through the middle of the week, up to 40-mile-per-hour sustained winds for Monday, gusts up to 60 miles per hour. That tapers down to around 30 sustained winds for Tuesday. And as we get out of Tuesday, that's when we get back to calmer conditions. Winds will remain in a variable condition, but it's going to be not as strong as we will be experiencing the next couple days. Sam, back to you.